How to join the official Beluga server on Discord. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to join the official Beluga server on Discord. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you want to do is head over to your web browser such as Google Chrome, and then do a search for Beluga Discord like I've already done here. Then in the search results, tap on the first link that appears, which should be the Beluga Gang Discord. After you've done that, you'll see this screen. Next, tap on Accept Invite. This has now directed me to the Discord app, and then it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So if I just tap on that button at the bottom, verify my email, so I've already done that. Read and agree to the server rules, and then once you've read and agreed to these rules, tap the checkbox, then tap on complete. And that's all it takes to join the official Beluga server on Discord. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.